This tutorial will show you how to use the selection tools in Photoshop. This tutorial assumes you already have your picture open in Photoshop. Click the rectangular marquee tool. Click and drag in the image to create a rectangular marquee. To create a perfect square, hold down the Shift key while clicking and dragging. To select the inverse, right-click in the image. Choose Select Inverse. To subtract from a selection, choose this icon. Click and drag in the image. To add a selection, click this icon. Click and drag in the image. To deselect all the selected areas, right-click and choose Deselect. To create an ellipse, right-click and select the elliptical marquee tool. Click and drag with the mouse. To create a perfect circle, hold down the Shift key while clicking and dragging. You can create a new layer from the selection by right-clicking and selecting Layer via Copy. Now, if we select the Move tool, we can see the old layer underneath. It is also possible to select a single horizontal or vertical row of pixels by choosing the relevant tool. Click anywhere on the image to select a single row. Now, we'll go back to the original image for this part of the tutorial to avoid confusion. Another way to make a selection is by using the Lasso tool. This tool allows you to make a selection by drawing around it. Click and drag around an object to create a selection. Right-click to select the polygonal lasso tool. This tool allows you to create a polygon selection with as many sides as you choose. Click in the image to create the first point. Click to create the second point. Continue in this fashion until you have as many sides as you want. Right-click to select the magnetic lasso tool. This tool detects pixels of a different color and selects them. Click and drag around an object. Yet another way to make a selection is by using the Quick Selection tool. When you click and drag across your image, it will select all pixels around it of similar colors. Click and drag in your image. Right-click and select the Magic Wand tool. With a single click, this tool can detect all pixels of a similar color and select them. Click anywhere in the image. You can turn the tolerance up or down to broaden the range of colors selected. Now, click in the image. Notice that more pixels have been selected. To select all pixels across the entire image, you can uncheck Contiguous. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to use the selection tools in Photoshop.